Hey Alan, it's Tony here with Groove Web Services with that video that I promised you. I want to quickly go over the three main ranking factors for Google. Hopefully this is information that's useful to you. If you can, if you have questions at the end of it, you want to speak further, reach out. If it's clear enough for you to take some action on your own and get yourself ranking against your competitors for those target keywords you're after, great. Um, Either way it goes, I hope it's helpful. So let's get started. So ranking factor number one would be content. Content is any of the words, images, pictures, videos on your home page. So this would be your home page. We generally recommend having 1,500 words on your home page so that you can get the keywords into it that you need without making it sound spammy. You're not doing too hot in that avenue right now when it comes to the amount of text here. Another way to get keywords on your site is behind these images. When you upload them, whatever you've got them saved as when you upload them, you can throw keywords in here. So right here, I mean, this is, at least you got wood flooring in here, but that's going to be on your site already. So this is an opportunity to get keywords in that might not make much sense in a paragraph, for example. That's a little trick of the trade. So that's that. One of your main competitors here, NJ Flooring, when I look at their site, they've got a bit more text here. So there's more opportunity for them to put words in there that are going to help rank them. Second item is something called citations. Citations are your business name, your business address, and your phone number out on citation sites, which are equivalent to Yellow Pages, but on the internet, which is pretty much where all of the directories are anymore. There's 300 to 400 of them in the US. You want to make sure your address and phone number and name are exactly as you put them in your Google listing, your business listing, which I hope you've got one. When you get, the more of those you get, the better. We have tools out there that shows what your competitors have. We can get that list, make sure you get on those same citations, and then go above them and get a few more, just to make sure that you're actually beating them. Well, not just a few, many more. So that's what a citation is. The third thing is a backlink. A backlink is a vote for your site. It's just your URL, your site URL. So, jrapaportflooring.com out on another website somewhere out there. When your URL is on other websites, Google looks at that as a potential vote for your company. So you want to make sure that your URL is not on spammy sites or anything like that, because that could actually be a detriment. So flooring distributors, flooring producers, other flooring contractors out there, if you get your URL out on their site, that's something positive for you. That is called a backlink. The more of those you get, the better. They're not all created equal. Again, niche relevant backlinks are better. If you're out there on pizzahut.com, it's not really going to do that great for you because it's not really relevant to your niche. So let's look at that. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. It gives us a bit of a high level picture of your website. It's an estimation. It's not exactly on the spot, but it's showing that you have 208 backlinks over 11 referring domains. This referring domains is really the most important thing because each of these domains can have multiple URLs of yours out there. So if this number is 11, that's fairly low. That's getting you, the text you have on your site is getting you 6 organic keywords you're being found for an organic traffic value of 5 per month. So let's see what those keywords are that you're being found for. Okay, so it's all essentially your company name. So right now you're not getting any traffic for any target keywords that I would be looking for you to get. So such as hardwood floor, refinishing, installation, things of that nature. Let's look at that competitor of yours. They're on 49 different referring domains for a backlink total of 326. That extra text that they have out there on their site is getting them 450 keywords, and you can see the difference in traffic. So if we click into here, you're going to see probably keywords that you really would like yourself to be getting. Okay, so floor refinishers, New Jersey, a month, 150 searches. Keyword difficulty 7 out of 100. That's pretty low. These guys are in position 1. That's getting them 31 clicks per month. New Jersey flooring, 70 searches a month, 14 difficulty, position 1, 24. Refinishers, new hardwood flooring refinishers, New Jersey, 150, 12 difficulty, position 2, 23. This is where you want to live for your you want your site to have this amount of keywords it's being found for. I mean, this goes all the way down here. You're talking about installation. I mean, there's many different keywords. This is why content is so important, and that's why I named it as number one. Without the content out there, good, authoritative, well-written content, you're going to struggle. Your website's going to struggle, and you're going to miss out on a lot of targeted traffic. So that's that. I hope that's helpful. If you need any help, again, reach out. You can reach out on Facebook. My personal number is 719-338-1955. I've helped other flooring contractors get their phones ringing, get their sites ranked. So I've been there, done that. Love to help you if you do need it. Thank you very much, Alan. You have a great day. Bye-bye.